Dear friend, in Affinity Publisher V2.6.0, some new features, some exciting features have been added. Dear friend, this update is a very important. In today's tutorial, we will cover all these major new features. If you use Affinity Publisher, it's very necessary to know all these features. After knowing all these features, your workflow will be very smooth, dear friends. All steps are very important in today's tutorial. Don't skip any steps. We will cover all these features and overview, and we will use there, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our Affinity Publishers 2.6 here. Dear friend, we are already in Affinity Photo 2.6 here now. Just you have to create. We will take this default page width, height here. Just create, and after that we will start reviewing our features here. Hello dear friend, you see we have just created our workspace here. Now we have to come here to see the new features. Hello dear friend, the first highly requested features is about the spreadsheets. Now you can extend the spreadsheets. This spreadsheet has been requested by users for a long time, dear friend. For example, I have page here, one page I have added here, and now we come here, you see add page here. In add page, you see this is the flow page. This is the normal way to add page, but here you can extend the spreadsheet. Now it means 1 2 3 will be in the singles here, added here in the spreadsheet. For example, I want to add here 2, you can add 3, and now we just I have 2 pages, you can just click 3 2. For example, first we see 2, and this is the normal way to add page, but we will take this extend spread, and we just click here. You see we have added 3 pages in one spreadsheet here. You see 3. In the same way you can add more. First we return here, and we come here, and now we come to once again here, and now we take 3. So we just click here, extend spreadsheet here, extend, and just click OK. So you see we have added 4 spreadsheets. You see 4 pages in one spreadsheet, 1 2 3 4. So this is the one of the most highly requested and one of the best features now in Affinity Publisher 2.6 here. For example, I have you see 2 spreadsheets. This one, this is master A, and this master B. So for example, I want to add now here, I want to add 2 more pages to this spreadsheet. We will very easily add here. For this we come here, you see here, and just add pages. Now we want to add page here, 2 page here. So we take 2 page, you can 3 page to this spreadsheet. For example, I want to add 3 pages to spreadsheets. Before and after you can add here, after and before. I want to add before. I want to add something before that. So we just click here, just here, before, and extend. You see extend, and just we have added. You see we have added here. Once again I want to show you, dear friend. For example, we have, you see 2 pages here. So this is a one spreadsheet, this is second. So I want to add here before 2 page. For example, we have selected here, and we will come to here, add page here. In add page we come to add before here, extend, we click, just OK. So you can see now we have here 2 pages added before this. This is our YouTube thumbnail. For example, I have taken this, and here Affinity Designer. So between 2 we have added 2 sheets. It's a very highly requested features. Hello dear friend, if this video, this tutorials adds value to your life, dear friends, it helps you, please subscribe the channels, dear friends. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard days and night. I think how to create a script, then I record video, edit video, and make thumbnails myself, and then upload to YouTube. It's a very hard working job, takes a lots of time. I steal time from my family, dear friend. Because of the algorithm of YouTube, I can't grow, but you can make it possible just by subscribing, writing comments, and sharing this channel to those friends who actually need of such type of tutorial, dear friends. I am so much tired of making content, so much exhausted. Please favor me, dear friends. It's very necessary to grow for me on YouTube. Another major new features which has been added in Affinity Publisher is anchor toward spines. For this you have to come here, you see here 3 dots, 3 lines here, just click here, and you have to come to here, page move options here, and here you see anchor towards spines. It's now on. Click signs, it means it's on now. Now how it will works, if you add any page before this, and this page will take the same distance and it will move to the right side here. For example, I minimize my photo here, and you see we have this thumbnail, Affinity Designer 2.6 major update. You can see on YouTube, on our playlist you can go, and there are some exciting features in Affinity Designer 2.6. So we have this, and we just minimize here, and we come here, and we add page here. Example, I want to add page, and you will see how it will change to this side. And we'll just click number here. We have one page. I want to add this before this page, so we'll just come here, okay, and we have to click here, page flow pages, okay. You see it has shifted from right to left. You see, in this way it works. It tracked some distance and shifted from left to right. Once again I show you. For example, here we have our photo here, for example, here in the middle, and we just come here to add pages. I want to just take one page before this page, and you see attentively it will move to that right side here. So everything is okay. Before we take this before, and follow changes, okay. You see it has shifted from here this to this side, and in this way work this. If you don't want to use this, you have to come here again, and page move option here, and you can switch off here. If now we have switched off, can once again check here, we have switched off this anchor towards spine, and now when we will add anything, so it will not move actually. So we come here and add one page here before flow pages, okay. So you see it has not moved. See, it has not moved. So in this way work, it's a very small feature, but it's a very useful feature for professionals. So if you don't want to use, just unclick from here. If I want to use, just click from here. Now we move for our third new feature. The next update is about reflow pages. Now you can switch on and switch off reflow pages. Now let's see how it works. After this first sheet, I want to add one more page here. After this page, I want to add more page here. And when our reflow page is on, it will be mess up. For example, we have to see here, check here, you see now our reflow page is on. So when we add one more page here, you see add page. After I want to add one more page after this page, okay, add. You see everything is messed up here. This Black Friday, our thumbnail came here, and this joined here. So after this update, you can switch off reflow page, and it will interact here after in order. It will not be messed up. So for this, first we have undo. Now we come here to switch off here this reflow page. For this we have to come here, and here you see page move options, and here first we have to, this is now switch on. We will just switch off here. So once again check here, is it switch off? It is switch up now. So we come here just, and after this page, now I add one more page. I will add one more page, okay. And after, you have to click before, you can add after, just after, and see. So you see now everything is in order. Our this page is here. You see after this page is here, and after this page is in here in separate here, and this didn't mess up here. This page didn't come down here. So this is a good feature. Try. The next new feature is also about reflow through page. Let's see how does it work. For example, I have these two pages. I don't want to these pages to be changed. I want to add a page, and all will be changed in the spreadsheet, but these two pages will be intact, means it will be remained unchanged. Let's see how does it work. We have selected two pages here, and now just right click here on the mouse. We have to come here, you see spread property, and this is a reflow through speed here. We have to just switch off this here. You see this, we have to just unclick here, and okay. So when we will add any page, these two page will be remained unchanged, will be together, and all changes will be made to the other pages here. See, let's see now. For example, I have this page. After this page, I want to add one more page. So we come here, you see here, and we just click here one page, number of page, okay, and we just click here. I want to add after, okay. You see we have added one more pages here after one page, but you see all changes are in disorder. You see these pages are in disorder, but here these two pages remain intact, remain together in order. Actually, this is the good features. Now you try on your sheet and apply, dear friend. This update is great for the advanced users. Otherwise, I recommend you to just switch on reflow pages. Otherwise, you can be in problems. When you will be advanced user of Affinity Publisher, you can switch on this reflow pages, and you can use, and here you can use specific pages you can apply how I have applied here. There is another update regarding move pages and copy pages. Now in the simple way you can move pages. For example, we take this and we can put here. See, we can put here. No, our page will be here, and we can take this page and we can move here. So we have moved our page here. In the same way, we just take this page and we can move here. You see, we have moved this page here. Let's see how this new update works here. Just we click here, and for example, I want to move this page to here, and we just click here, and here you see move and copy pages, new features here. And page 1 we want to move to here. For example, after page 7 we just move here. Okay, move, after move, and okay. So you see our this page was there, but it moves to here. In the same way, if you want to copy this page to anywhere, you can copy after these features. You see here this move and copy pages. I want to add this to here after 5 pages. For example, I just write after 5 pages here, and I want to copy here after and copy. Okay, you see we have copy pages here. So in the same way you try, and this is good features. No, you don't need to drag, and just here from here just you can move, copy, paste anywhere. For example, I have this page, I want to move here to after 8 page, this page. So I will come here and move, copy pages here after 8 page. Okay, I want to move one, move, just click here. Okay, you see we have moved here our pages here. So in this way this update works. The next update and new feature is regarding the page preview. Here you see we are in the page preview here. When we click here, and you see we have option for extra large thumbnails. Now we can make extra large thumbnail. You see we have extra large thumbnail here, and you can make medium. It will be medium here. It will be very small. You see thumbnail will be very small, but when you click here large, it will be large. But it now we click to extra large. This is our new feature, extra large thumbnails here. You see, and now we can drag how much you want. You see, like in this way you can drag, make a smaller, bigger. It's a very convenience in big monitor if you works. It's a good feature now. Now Affinity Publisher 2.6 has new reading panels. It allow us to screen order to read how we want to read pages here. For this we have to come here. You see here, and reading order, we just click here, and now we can just click. For example, it will be read fast, it will be read seconds. In this way we can change the orders from here. For example, I will drag here. You see, in this way we can change. You see, we can change the order from here directly. You can change orders. We can even delete from here. You see, remove, we can add selected objects. Some things we have selected, so we can directly add from here now. And there is also a new feature for photo. For example, I have YouTube thumbnail, I want to add this to my document, dear friend. We will just come here, and you see we have tags for this. Once you add tags here, so it will appear here. You see, and now if for example I have thumbnail, I have added to our spreadsheet here, Affinity Designer 2.6, and now we can rename this. For example, I write thumbnail, okay, mark as decoration. Okay, it will appear here. You see, we have now thumbnails. We can change the order. For example, here it will be red. After this, first it will be red, and second it will be red, third it will be red. In the order it will be red now. So it's a very now the improved feature here. The next new feature is for those who use data merge, now can use a QR code here. This is the new feature now. We have 5 website here, so we just take here. We have to come here to desktop. Website here, we just click here. Okay, and now we have to come to context toolbar here. Toolbar here. From here, so we have to just change to this to data merge here. You see data merge. We just click here. Okay here. Once you choose from here and just select here, you can just create a QR code from here, dear friend. Try these features, all these features, and write me in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want about Affinity Publisher. I will especially make for you, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels and try all new features, and write me which features do you like most, and suggest the channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorials. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.